Now I've got a statistic that is going to blow your mind. If I were a scientist assessing your genetics and the likelihood of you developing a particular disease, and I was using a computer like this, it would take me 20 years. Yet there is a tool that will do it in less than a second. It's an innovation all of its own, and it's supercharging innovation all over the world. This is PAWSY, a national collaborative research facility. It began with a vision to push the boundaries of innovation. Built at a cost of $80 million, it's named after Joseph Pawsey, a prominent Australian radio astronomer. And the tool is this, a supercomputer named Setonix. You can think of it as the brain of scientific exploration, a computational giant capable of performing complex calculations at staggering speeds, from astrophysics to climate modelling, drug discoveries, and now AI. So Mike, how does it do it so quickly?
Well, inside our supercomputers we have these, and these are the latest GPUs, graphical processing units. And these supercomputer chips, hundreds of these working together, create some of the, in our case, one of the most powerful computers in the Southern Hemisphere.
And what is that supercomputer bringing to innovation?
We're able to accelerate and experiment with our scientists and researchers on problems that couldn't be done even a few years ago. So the ability to test and hypothesize in areas to do with advances in human health or in industry or in environment, are providing the opportunity for advances in the way that we farm or we manage our energy or we operate in our hospitals.
Mark Stickles has the task of overseeing this unique facility. The centre is a joint venture between the CSIRO and prominent West Australian universities.
We were built here in 2012 because we're the ideal location to host world-class radio astronomy projects. So the Square Kilometre Array is being built here in Western Australia, and it needs an advanced supercomputer to process the data from the radio telescopes and unlock some of the mysteries of the universe.
From helping our farmers reduce the amount of chemicals they use on their crops, to solving traffic management problems and unravelling the mysteries of DNA, the applications are massive. PAWSY is used by around 4,000 researchers from 371 different institutions.
We're essentially free to use for Australia's research community, so we're a wonderful asset for Australian research and innovation on the world stage.
And here's another impressive fact. PAWSY is not only powerful, it's energy efficient.
So our supercomputer uses the same amount of power as a small Perth suburb. So it's really important that we've designed it to be efficient. It's one of the most energy efficient in the world, ranked the 4th in the world last year. It's engineered to be using water efficiently, and we recycle millions of litres of water through the aquifer. And we're progressively using more and more renewable energy to supply its power.
One of PAWSY's success stories since its launch is the role it played in the DNA sequencing of marsupials. And it was this project that gave Setonix its name. Scientists imagining curing diseases in minutes, or climate change models perfected instantly. Or our understanding of the universe? Well, let's just say we might not be alone. This is what supercomputers are doing today. So let's look to the future though. PAWSY is leading the next generation of computing, quantum computing, where they're looking to do in minutes what these computers here would take years to achieve. Now that's next level.